feeling will be gone. I've got something good going on. Something so right has got no chance to live. So let's forget about chances. This one night I will keep. For we've got one night only, one night only. There's nothing more to say. One night only, then we're gone away. I love you for one night only, one night only. There's nothing more to say. One night only, then we're gone away. We got one night only, one night only. Come on, baby, come on. One night only, we only have till dawn. I love you for one night only, one night only. There's nothing more to say. One night only, then you've gone away. For we've got one night only. Thank you very much. Are you all ready for Christmas? Just? You are? Oh, there's a guy in the back row there who's ready for Christmas. And I bet your wife did all the planning, didn't she? I can tell that's why you're going like that. Bit smug there, I'm only joking. I'm gonna sing another song for you now, which is taken from a really famous musical, The Wizard of Oz, and I mixed it with another track. And why I've decided to do that is because I also work for a charity. I'm a singer. Toured in shows when I was a little bit younger. And now I work for a charity and we support adults with learning disabilities. And so this next song, really, for me, is a song for a service user that passed away shortly, not a long time ago, about 6 months ago. He was murdered on his doorstep in Cardiff. And so this one is for him, Peter, and because I believe we all breathe the same air, and we all deserve to be treated with the same amount of respect as anyone else. So this one's for him, and thank you very much. There's a place for us somewhere. There'll be a place for us. Peace and quiet and open air. Then wait for us somewhere. And there's a time for us. Someday there'll be a time for us. Time together with time to care. Time to learn and a time to share. Well, someday and somehow and somewhere we'll find a new way of living. Well, we'll find this way of forgiving. Well, somewhere Well, over the rainbow, and bluebirds, well, they fly. And birds, well, they fly over the rainbow, wide and wide and high. But somewhere, well, someday, and somehow, somewhere. Thank you. Okay, the next track I've decided to sing is a song. I believe that most of the women in musical theatre get the best tracks to sing. I don't know if anyone else think that. They do, don't they? You're agreeing. They so do. So, a la Michael Ball style, I thought I'd sing a little bit of Michael Ball in the Hall. Well, if he can do it, if he can sing I Dreamed a Dream, I can sing another song. So this one is a little bit of Les Mis. And it goes like this. Now I'm all alone again, nowhere to go, no one to turn to. I did not want your money, sir, I gave it here because I was told to. And now the night is near, now I can make believe she's here. Sometimes I walk alone at night when everybody else is sleeping. I think of her and then I'm happy with the company I'm keeping. The city goes to bed and I can live inside my head. On my own, pretending he's beside me. All alone, I walk with him till morning. Without him, I feel her arms around me. And when I lose my way, I close my eyes, and she has found me. In the rain, the pavement shines like silver. Lights are misty in the river. In the darkness, the trees are full of starlight. The trees are bare and everywhere, the streets are full of strangers. And I know it's only in my mind that I'm talking to myself and not to him. And although I know that she is blind, still I say there's a way for us. I love her, but when the night is over, she is gone. The river's just a river. Without me, the world around me changes. The trees are bare and everywhere the streets are full of strangers. I love her, but every day I'm learning. All my life I've only been pretending. Without me, her world will go on turning. A world that's full of happiness that I have never known. I love her. I love her. I love her, but only on my own. Thank you very much. Well, as Christmas is coming, I thought I'd do a little bit of Judy. Can I have a tiny bit more voice through the fold-back, please? It's a bit dead and a little bit wetter for me. That would be great. Thank you. So this next track is from Meet Me in St. Louis, and as it's Christmas time, you probably know the words. If you feel in your hearts to join in, please, please don't, because I've just learned them and you really, really put me off, especially you two sat there. Right. Okay. Thank the orchestra, which is my laptop right at the back there. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. From now on, our troubles will be out of sight. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. Let your heart be light. Next year all our troubles will be out of sight. Here we are as in olden days, happy golden days of yore. Need us, they gather need us once more. Through the years we all may be together, if the fates allow. Until then we'll try to muddle through somehow. A merry little Christmas now. Faithful friends who are near to us, they gather near to us once more. Through the years we all may be together, if the fates allow. Until then we'll try to muddle through somehow. A merry little Christmas now. Can't beat a bit of Judy. Okay, now it's time for a bit of a sing-along. Are you up for it? Are you up for a bit of a sing-along? Everyone's looking the other way. But the ones in the back definitely are, and those two in the front definitely are, because I think they're singers. I can tell because they know all the words to every track I'm singing. Right, we'll have a little sing then. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know. Now, this is a time for a definite sing-song. There were a few of you singing, but not very many. This one's next. Bit of Joseph and Technicolor Dreamcoat. To get in the musical theatre spirit, I think. So nice to have somebody to do this. Close my eyes. In my family, when it's Christmas, we don't have telly on much, really. We have loads and loads of music. And so this next track, I've listened to growing up. Because my mum was a massive fan of this person who sings this next track. So I'm going to sing it, and then you have to tell me who sang it originally. It goes a bit like this. All across the this comes to pass when a child is born. A rosy gleam settles all around. You've got to feel you're on solid ground. For a spell or two, no one seems forlorn, for this comes to pass when a child is born. Silent wind sails the seven seas. The winds of change whispers in the trees, and the walls of doubt tumble, tossed and torn. Well, this comes to pass when a child is born. And all of this happens because the world is waiting for one child. Black, white, yellow, well, no one knows. But a child that will grow up and turn hate to love, war to peace, and everyone to everyone's neighbour. And misery and suffering will be words to be forgotten forever. It's all a dream, an illusion now. It must come true someday, soon, somehow. All across the land, towards a brand new morn. This comes to pass when a child is born. Have my monitor up a little bit. I know you can't do monitor up. No monitor. Oh, okay. Okay, can we jump, skip the next track and go on to the next Christmas one? Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hall. Mistletoe hung where you can see every couple tries to start. Rocking around the Christmas tree, let the Christmas party sing. Later we'll have some pumpkin pie and we'll do some caroling. You will get a sentimental feeling when you're here, and voices singing, let's be jolly and deck the halls with boughs of holly. Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. When you're here, and voices singing, let's be jolly and deck the halls with boughs of holly. Rocking around the Christmas tree at the Christmas party hop. Everyone dancing merrily in the new old-fashioned way. Okay. Okay, can I, just off the sound, can I have a little bit more through the monitors? Because I can't hear a thing. It's just not like we've sound checked, so it's really difficult when I can't hear anything. Who said we can't have it a bit louder? Oh, thank you, lovely. Is it a... It's just not like we've sound checked, so...
Yeah, I know, but I've spent the last 25 minutes having people coming up and complaining about the noise level, and it got to a point where what I was doing in front of the house wasn't altering anything because the on-stage sound is so loud.
Can you do a little bit? Can you have it a little bit more? Because it's like
I've been trying to push it, but where you had it before, it must have been about 1998 TVs on stage.
Right. Okay.
And yeah, what I was on the main volume out there was having no effect on the overall volume because it was all on here. I'll try my best, but like I said, for the last 25 minutes, all I've been having is just abuse of customers and front of house. If you want to complain to front of house, that's fine because I've fought to keep it as it was in soundcheck.
Yeah, I know. It's not your problem.
Yeah,
if I can just go straight to this is the moment.
Okay.
And then we'll just do it at the end when I'll do an encore.
Okay.
Great. Ooh, I did a sound check and we've had complaints of front of house, so it's a bit quieter than I'm used to. So I'm just going to finish with this next track. And thank you very much for being a lovely crowd. I hope you enjoy the show. I know you will because it's a wonderful, wonderful production. I've seen it myself. I thought it was wonderful. This next track is a song from a musical called Jekyll and Hyde, which was also here about 2 months ago, I think. And this was my bit of a party piece. I first had, when I first left drama school, I sang this song and I got my first professional job in Phantom of the Opera, actually, but it was Ken Hill's version, which was a spoof. And anyway, I'd leave you with this one. Thanks for being a great crowd and enjoy the show. This is the moment. This is the day when I send all my doubts and demons on their way, and every endeavor that I have made ever, well, it's coming into play. It's here and now today. This is the moment. This is the time when the momentum and the moment are in rhyme. And give me this moment, this precious chance. Well, I'll gather up my post and I'll make some sense at last. For this is the moment when all I've done chi a blwyddyn newydd dda, and have a wonderful show, and I hope to see you again in the near future. Good night, God bless.